These 5 AI tools can create full videos from just your words. And they're changing the game for creators everywhere. AI video generators use advanced models to turn your ideas, typed in text, into actual videos. Whether you're a YouTuber, teacher, or storyteller, these tools let you bring your imagination to life without cameras, actors, or editing skills. Let's start with Google Veo 3. Built by DeepMind, Veo turns your text into cinematic quality videos. It understands motion, camera angles, and even lighting styles. Soon, it'll be integrated right into YouTube Shorts, so creators can generate videos from their phones. Next, we have OpenAI's Sora. It's known for hyper-realistic videos, with consistent characters, accurate physics, and natural motion. Right now, it's available only to selected users, but it's expected to reshape everything from short films to product ads. Runway's Gen-3 is designed for speed and creativity. It's perfect for creators, editors, and artists. You can generate stylized videos, add effects, and even edit scenes frame by frame. Think of it as Photoshop, but for video powered by AI. Pika Labs brings animation and character-driven stories to life. It supports lip syncing, zoom effects, anime styles, and more. If you want to make fun reels, stories, or animated explainers, Pika is a great choice. And then there's Luma AI's Dream Machine. What makes it special? Realistic camera tracking and 3D spatial understanding. Ideal for creators making immersive product demos, cinematic reveals, or motion graphic videos. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison of the tools. AI is revolutionizing video creation, and these tools prove it. Whether you want cinematic shots, realistic scenes, or animated stories, there's a model for you. Which one would you use? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-related stuffs every week.